Hello bachcho, so let's read this question. A new carbon-carbon bond is formed in aldol condensation, Kolbe's reaction, Reimer-Tiemann reaction, Wurtz Fittig reaction. तो हमें इसमें से बताना है कि किस reaction में new carbon-carbon bond form होगा. So these are the options that are given to us. Now let us write the key concept of the question. अगर हम key concept की बात करें, so an aldehyde is an organic compound in which the carbonyl group is attached to a carbon chain. Carbonyl group is attached to a carbon chain. And if we talk about the ketone, तो ketone हमारा a ketone in which the carbonyl group is attached to carbon atom within the carbon chain. Carbon chain. Now if we talk about the carbonyl group looks somewhat like this. C double bond O, and these are the groups attached, substituted groups. So this is our carbonyl group. Now let us look into the reactions और हम देखते हैं किसमें नए कार्बन कार्बन bonds बनते हैं. So पहला reaction हमें जो दिया हुआ है it is aldol condensation. aldol condensation की अगर हम बात करें तो aldol condensation में जो हमारे aldehydes and ketones होते हैं जिनके पास alpha hydrogen present होता है they react with dilute alkali to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. So let us see the generalized reaction using acetaldehyde. If we talk about acetaldehyde, we will take 2 moles of acetaldehyde, then react it with dilute alkali. उसके बाद हम उसमें से OH negative ion. So this will be the compound which will be formed. OH, H, CH2, CHO. We can clearly see over here the number of carbons have increased. So new carbon-carbon bonds are formed. New carbon-carbon bonds formed. So हमारा aldol condensation is an example where new carbon-carbon bond is formed. Now let us talk about the other reaction which is Kolbe's reaction. अगर हम Kolbe's reaction की बात करें, Kolbe's reaction. So इसमें हमारा ONA reacts with CO2 in 140 degree Celsius under pressure to form OH, COOH. So we can clearly see that number of carbons have increased and new carbon-carbon bonds have been formed. So here we can say that new carbon-carbon bonds formed. So हमारा Kolbe's reaction is also an example in which the new carbon-carbon bonds are formed. Now let us talk about Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction की अगर हम बात करें, third Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So अगर हम Reimer-Tiemann reaction की बात करें, so this is our phenol. Phenol is reacting with chloroform, which is CHCl3, in the presence of KOH. Then it is forming phenol substituted with CHO group plus 3 KCl plus 2 molecules of H2O. तो हम clearly यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं the number of carbon atoms in the product side is increased, so new carbon-carbon bonds have been formed. new carbon-carbon bond. So हमारा Reimer-Tiemann reaction is also an example in which the carbon-carbon bonds are formed. New carbon-carbon bonds are formed. If we talk about the Wurtz Fittig reaction में हमारा fourth Wurtz Fittig reaction. Suppose हमने chlorobenzene लिया. This is our chlorobenzene. Then we are reacting with this CH3Cl plus two molecules of Na. Then it is reacting with Na to give us toluene, जिसका स्ट्रक्चर कुछ ऐसा होता है benzene ring substituted with a methyl group plus 2 moles of NaCl. तो हम क्लियरली देख सकते हैं इसमें भी हमारे न्यू कार्बन कार्बन bonds are formed. New carbon carbon bonds are formed. So हमारा Wurtz Fittig reaction is also the example. All of the four will be the right answer to the question. I hope you understood the explanation well. Best of luck.